What's happening, guys? It's your boy Manual BMW, and today I'm back with another YouTube video. Today I'm basically videoing Virage's BMW M3 E46, and this is actually it's a really special E46 because it's done loads of mods to it, and I think the biggest mod to this car is probably the exhaust in it, Virage. Yeah, I mean, what exhaust is it?
It's a Rogue Engineering mid-pipe,
right.
Valtronic.
I think it's the loudest exhaust I've ever heard. Not just on an M3, but just on literally any car. And
Jesus Christ.
this manual, right? It's a manual car.
Yeah, manual, yes.
And you've got loads of carbon fibre inside.
Carbon fibre interior, exterior carbon fibre.
And sound system, obviously, this is not regular, is it?
The iPad mini.
Yeah.
Installed in here.
Yeah. And have you got a sub in here as well?
Yeah, I got a 10-inch 5 sub.
10-inch 5 sub.
For like 12 years.
Yeah. And it's pretty. It's a pretty quick car as well.
It's alright, yeah, it does the job.
Yeah. I mean, you can tell how loud it is. Like, super loud. Yeah. What we'll do is we'll go through town and basically we'll see if we can get a few reactions. I'll basically show you the way town. We'll go through town, just do one like kind of circle. That's alright, yeah. Alright, cool. So yeah, so you've got a sound system in here, loads of carbon fibre, you've got the exhaust system. It's a convertible, guys. As well as that, you've just got custom rims, haven't you?
Yeah. Little wheels, tints.
What wheels are they?
The Isbury ISR 10.
Okay.
Deep concave, once concave.
Right, and you've got the lights, haven't you? The funky lights.
Oh yeah, the LED colour changing lights.
LED colour changing lights
from our iPhone.
Okay, wicked. No way. I mean, I've been in this car a few times now, and it's just like, in comparison to my brother's E36, this is like, it's a totally different power. This is super quick, man. And the way it does get to like, I've seen videos of you doing like 160 miles per hour. You know what I mean? So it's like, it does pick up top end. Yeah.
Top end's best place.
Yeah.
Top end.
But for me, the best thing about this car is literally this sound. The sound of this car is second to none. Like it's the best sounding car I've ever heard. And I've heard Ferraris and Lambos and all that.
Yeah, because I've seen loads of videos on YouTube, and I wanted it to sound like that.
Yeah. Like the best thing about this car is very high pitch. It's not a grumble. It's not like V8 grumble.
Yeah.
But this is a V6, right?
Straight 6.
Yeah, straight 6. Okay, straight 6. Okay. Yeah, no way. And it's a pretty comfortable ride, to be fair, as well.
It's not. I've not messed with the suspension thing. Everything's standard.
It's not lowered or anything, is it?
It looks like it's been lowered.
Yeah.
I've not touched the suspension at all.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Cool. Yeah, just go straight there. Okay. Cool. And how long have you had this car for?
It'll be 3 years this October.
3 years this October. Okay. Cool.
I've gone on 88,000 miles.
88,000 miles.
107.
Okay, okay, cool. And one thing I like about this car as well is the fact that you've got electric seats, because not many cars have that nowadays. Like even my brother's E46 M3, it hasn't got an electric seats either. Just go straight down.
Got it.
Yeah. And then just take a right. I mean, where is the sense in that? No. Fucking hell, somebody will piss me off as the drive, man. Honestly, swear to God. I mean, yeah, this is a seriously loud car. What I'm going to do is I'm going to unscrew this, guys, and what I'm going to do...
Going right?
Yeah, you're going right, and I'm going to basically get people's reactions.
Tunnel blast.
Yeah, a little tunnel blast. I mean, that lady, she went like that over here.
Trap.